Every day I wake up, brew a fresh cup of coffee, and prepare myself for a new journey of knowledge, growth, and productivity. As a PhD professor and an English learning content creator, my daily routine is essential to maintain a balance between my academic commitments and the creation of educational content. In the midst of this routine, I find solace in the art of note taking and the power of reading, which serve as an indispensable tools in my professional life. One of the first things that I do each morning is to lay out my checklist of tasks. I firmly believe in the adage that if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Note taking plays a significant role in my planning process. I take detailed notes of the day's agenda, jotting down key points, deadlines, and ideas. This simple act of writing down my tasks not only keeps me organized but also provides a sense of direction and purpose for the day ahead. As Red Auerbach, the famous basketball coach, once said, "What do you do with a mistake? Recognize it, admit it, learn from it, forget it." Note taking enables me to acknowledge and learn from past mistakes, ensuring a more productive future. As I dive into my academic and creative work, I often stumble upon valuable insights in books, articles, and research papers. Reading is the gateway to a world of ideas, perspectives, and innovation. It's through reading that I gain new knowledge and keep my skills sharp. One of my favorite quotes about reading comes from Joseph Addison, who said, "Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body." Reading enriches the mind, broadens horizons, and fuels creativity. It provides me with the necessary building blocks to create engaging and educational content for English learners. Note taking and reading are inseparable companions in my daily routine. As I read, I simultaneously take notes, highlighting key information and ideas. This synergy between reading and note taking not only enhances my comprehension, but also allows me to capture the essence of the material. In the word of Walter Park, the art of note taking is very important. You're acquiring by the mere taking of notes the important facts and principles of the subject. In my line of work, the ability to create engaging and informative content is crucial, whether it's for my students or a broader audience. My daily routine, enriched by note taking and reading, equips me with the tools to succeed. As Victor Hugo aptly put it, to learn to read is to light a fire. Every syllable that is spelled out is a spark. This fire, fueled by knowledge, lights up my day, propelling me forward on my journey of continuous learning and content creation. My daily routine, marked by a cup of coffee, meticulous note taking, and voracious reading, is a testament to my commitment to personal and professional growth. With these practices, I not only manage my responsibilities, but also ensure that each day is an opportunity to learn, inspire, and make a difference. So, seize the day. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.